Hello there, welcome to the One of Us Discord tutorial series. I am Obi Bear Kenobi, a Mixer partnered cosplay variety streamer. I just wanted to pass on my knowledge to you all with a set of tutorials for all manners of streaming. Any questions, be sure to hit the links below for ways to contact me, and yeah, let's get stuck in. So this tutorial series is on ScorpBot. We're going to be running each tab in ScorpBot as a separate tutorial to keep them nice and short, and hopefully that way you can see and find what you need quickly. Hello, welcome back to part 2 of the ScorpBot tutorial series. If you didn't watch part 1, it was on how to install and log into ScorpBot, including your bot. On this one, we are now on the dashboard tutorial side of things. So on this, you got connection status. It shows you everything that's connected. Mixer Alert, Streamlabs is connected right now. On this section, you can update your stream title and your game name and what rating you have. You press update and it will directly update, so you don't need to go into manage channel on your page. You can do it straight in ScorpBot. Great feature. Then on here you've got your Twitch follows, Mixer, so I am Mixer, so it'll show you all your follows you've had for that stream. Raiders, which is using a command which I'll show you later. Hosts, everybody that's hosted you during your session. And then donations will be down here, the events logs, all these kind of things. This will show you, so it'll show you from the beginning when you first installed. So I installed this and did my first stream on the 22nd of February. It shows you my first and only on that stream was Templars OG. So there you go. That is pretty much it for this section. So we're going to move on to hosting for the next part of the tutorial. Thank you everybody that has been giving me some feedback. If you haven't yet, you're welcome to check the links below. If you need any questions answering, just DM me in the One of Us Discord, or you can leave them on the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great night. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please join our community and Discord channel by clicking the link below where you can find myself and other awesome streamers, gamers, friends. See you there.